Recon Man back with another repair video. We got us a 2016 GMC Terrain with a center console repair. Step one, do some sanding. When these things split and crack, they always raise up. This is one method of getting them flush. Another is taking a razor blade and slicing it down, but I like this method. Oh. Hard to watch what I'm doing and keeping the camera angle correct. It's not easy. Maybe I should just focus on watching what I'm doing through the camera. That makes it easier. It does. Nice. We'll hit it with the Viper Poly Clean. I'd already hit it once just to get all the grease and wax off. Now we sanded her down. Now we're hitting it again. Let that dry up and we'll hit it with a repair. We're making a graining pad here. This is the putty. You mix two putties together, clean the surface you're going to make the grain you want to make the grain of. Press it down on there and let it set up. When it's set up, you peel it off and you've got a pattern that I'll be able to use to put this right back into here. The one I've been using is a little from all the heat, it's just worn out, so we're making a new one. Getting ready to spread the FX9 low temperature compound. Got another thin layer on there. Gonna heat it up, see if we can get some grain in it. Our new grain pad finally set up. Yeah, that'll clean. Yeah. I need more heat. Sorry about the camera angle. I lose track of the camera, paying attention to what I'm doing. Try something here. Try a little more sanding. A couple high spots there. Don't want to go away with the heat. Back with the finished product. Still drying a little bit there. Not exactly sure why this thing was repaired before. Those right there, that's some compound from somebody else that was bonded to it. It's affected the outcome, the appearance of the repair. The durability is going to be there. The fact that it was already repaired once has affected the outcome of the look. Still better than a slice or a rip in the console. That'll do it for this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Later.